Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, finally, Samsung launched their A22 with LTE, and the 5G boot model is available, and the price is also a low. Move or Galaxy A32 5G. Samsung has new chipset 5G phone. The Galaxy A22 5G become available in July, starting at €230. For comparison, the A32 5G started at €280, and the weird thing in that the A22 5G is better phone. Know that we are complaining. Also, there is a 4G model of the A22 that's differ in a several key aspects behind the connectivity. Before we dive into the detail, check out these infographics that, as you can see in this picture, and the top feature of the model help highlighting efficiency. The Galaxy A22 5G seems does not like the talk about the chipset, but it's a pretty clear that it's a model powered by the Dimensity 700. It starts with a 4 gigs RAM and 64 gigs storage, which allow it to hit that a €230 price target. There is also a model with 128 gig storage that one can have a 4 and 6 gigs and 8 gigs of RAM. The 4 and 128 gigs option available in €250. Note that different country will get a different model. The Netherlands gets the cheaper 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes, while Nicaragua, Belgium gets the pricier 4 gigabytes and 128 gigabyte version in the same price. And for more, a €20 for an extra 64 gigabyte sounds responsible, but the A22 5G has a micro SD slot, and it's okay to get the smaller option. The 5G model gets the better screen to it, contrast with the A32 pair. Well, better if you don't insist in the AMOLED panel. What you get a 6.6-inch LCD, 1080p plus resolution, 90 Hz refresh rate. However, the 5G model does not do so well in the camera department. The triple camera on the rear is home to 48 megapixel main module but no IS, and the 5 megapixel ultra wide angle module plus a depth sensor. The 8 megapixel selfie camera is in a V-shaped notch on the front. Both phone have the 5000 mAh battery, and both has support 15-volt fast charging. Also, both have the side mounted fingerprint reader. Again, the Galaxy A22 5G will be available in selected regions starting on July at a €230. Now, talking about the LTE version of this smartphone is the quite difference from its sibling. In fact, the name suggests as far great familiar connections exist on the reality. For starter, this is powered by the order Helio G80 chipset. The base memory configuration is the 64 gigabytes and 4 gigabytes RAM with a 128 gigabytes option available throughout this time. The RAM selection is limited to 4 and 6 gigabytes, and keep in mind that there is no micro SD slot in this LTE model. The screen different too, very different, is 6.4 inch Super AMOLED with a 720p resolution. Once the spec sheet between the 290 Hz refresh rate, even the notch has different shape and hold different camera into 13 megapixel. The 48 megapixel sensor is the main module, this time OIS, and the ultra wide angle camera, and 8 megapixel sensor. This is also 2 megapixel macro camera to keep the depth comparison. So this is the A22 5G and A22 LTE model. Let me know in the comment section which one you like and which one you pick for buy for your next smartphone. And also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.